In this video, I am going to show you how great product images look like, and I will break down each and every images for you. Hi, my name is Sammy. I am an Amazon seller and I sell products under my private label brand on Amazon. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to follow each and every step of my journey. But before we start the video, let's first check out my sales. Now it's 5 PM in the evening and I have still a long day to make more sales. So my sales are slowly picking up after the long out of stock period. Now this is from a single product. So when we are in a physical store or a shopping mall, then while purchasing a product, we can check physically by our hand how the product looks like and its different angles by picking that product in our hand. But it's completely different when we are purchasing from an online store. And in those cases, the images, the videos and the reviews plays the role of our hand and builds our trust in purchasing that product from an online store. There are a few things that you have to look for while creating images for your product. Number one, you need a product photo in white background. So what I generally do is I add a product packaging along with my product and also the bundle items that are going with the product so that my customers get a clear idea on what they are getting. And if you are not bound by your budget, then you can also do a 3D rendering of your first and main image. It will be costly but a great investment for your future. Next is one or two images with infographics that will describe the benefit of the product. What you can do is you can write the feature of the product as the headline and then write the benefit below that headline in infographic. And don't forget to add some pictures of your product being used by a human. If your product is a gender specific, then use the specific gender for which the product is made for. Or if your product is not made for a specific gender, then try showing both male and female models using this product. It will be also great if you show an image in which you show the dimension and the package contents of your product. So let's jump to my computer and show you some examples that I have already shortlisted for you. So let's look at the first product. Now this is a meal prep container, and if you are into fitness, then you know how famous this is. So let's look at the first image. So this is a great first image and it also shows what they are exactly getting. Let's look at the second image. So here you can see it is telling one feature of this product, and that is heat resistant. Now what if this was my product, then what I would do is I would add some steam over this, and so that the picture can show that it really can hold hot foods. Now this shows some in-use images of this product. This picture would have been more better if they would zoom in on the lock instead of showing all the products. Now this shows what they get along with the box. Though they have included this with every box, but still they are unable to show that, and I feel that is a negative point. What they should do is they should take a picture from the top angle so that it shows that these are included in every box. And also for lifestyle images, if they would have added a male model or a female model or both using this product instead of just showing a small portion of them, it would also convert a lot better. Let's look at the enhanced brand content for a second. So they do not have an enhanced brand content. And they are losing huge sale, but by not adding enhanced brand content to their listing. And also they have an option to add product videos, which they are not adding to. Let's look at the next product. So this is a famous product, and you can see they have done a great job in showing what is included in the along with the product. So this is a neck pillow for travelers, and they have also included one carrying pouch, one eye mask, and earbuds too. So this is a great way representing what the product comes with. So here you can see they have done the infographics, and at the top they say the feature of the product, and then they describes the benefit the customers will get by this product. This is also same way they have shown the feature of the product and then describe the benefit. Here also the pictures are also very good. Some lifestyle images also. And I'm sure the enhanced brand content is very good too. So they are showing the pouch that is included with the product. So this is an example of great product photography, and this is how your product images should also look like. Let's look at the next product. So this is an electric blanket, and this is obviously a seasonal product in India. So this is the first image. They haven't added any bundle items to the product. This is a great image too. Now they are showing the dimension of the product, and also they are showing how long the cord is. And which is obviously a benefit to the customers by providing a long cord. Some features. This is a great way of representing our product by an image like this. Lifestyle image is also very good. So they are describing the feature and then the benefits also. Let's look at the enhanced brand content. So the enhanced brand content also is done very professionally and very good. These are great examples for beginners. And you should also check best-selling products and get ideas on how to do your product images too. Now this is a very famous brand in Amazon, and I always love their images and the way they do their images. So these are great images to represent their product and the features. By using a lifestyle image too. So they are using a lifestyle image for also describing the feature benefits, also adding a human touch to it. These are also some features and benefits of their products. They have also added product videos too. Let's look at their enhanced brand content. So this is a great enhanced brand content, and they have represented their product very well in these images. So let's check how this page will appear in mobile. As you know, customers on Amazon mostly purchase from mobile app. So this is how the detail page of this product would look like in a mobile app. As you know, enhanced brand content always comes before bullet points and description in the mobile app. So they are also showcasing their other products. So this is a great example of product images. Now let me show you an example of a good 3D rendering, as well as how a good product images should look like. So you can see the first image of this product. Then you would notice how these images are linked with the bullet points. You can see here. Now they are breaking the product, they are breaking the image and describing some features and benefits of the product. So you can relate this with these bullet points also. Here you can see they are showing an infographic in which they are describing the feature and the benefits below. So this is a great example of 3D rendering image. As you can see, foldable design with portable bag and gentle reminder. Some lifestyle images. Also they have videos, and now let's look at their enhanced brand content. This is what our lifestyle image should look like. See, they have used both male and female models. And they are also showing what the package includes. So in these examples that I showed you, you can take great ideas and implement those ideas while creating your product images. Now if you are a beginner and you are starting with a very low budget, then what I will suggest is order 2 samples from your factory and keep one sample for quality check purpose, and take the other one to the nearest photo studio. Take a white bedsheet along with you and click some pictures, keeping your computer's product images as a reference. And then what you have to do is you have to hire a graphic designer in Fiverr who will edit your images that you just clicked using a white background, and they will make it look professional and also add infographics to your product images. Now this all is very cheap and it will not cost you more than 3,000 rupees. I have some previous videos in which I break down some of my old products, and all the images done in those old products are from this method only, and it all costed me within 3,000 rupees. Now if you don't want to do product images this way and you are willing to invest couple of $100 in doing product images, then I'm going to make a separate video in which I will show from where you can get great product images done, and they know exactly what Amazon requires and what images will convert the best. If you don't want to wait for that video, then what you can do is you can just comment below and I will make sure you get the contact details. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll show you the exact process and steps that is involved during shipping your product from China by plane or through sea by a container, and exactly what documents and what is a legal setup you need to follow. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to get updates when the next video is uploaded.